Hello to one and all. Myself Vinod Patil, working as an assistant professor in MGV's Samashri Prashant Dada Hire College of Pharmacy, Malegaon, Nasik. Hereby to deliver my feedback on 2-week FDP on the topic e-learning resource creation, a beginning towards new era of learning. At the start of feedback, I would like to thank Dr. Diva Patil, College of Engineering and Technology, Kolhapur, for successful completion of this 2-week FDP. This FDP helps the bridging the gap between the conventional teaching learning process and advanced teaching learning. This FDP will surely help the new era of e-learning system. In my feedback, I must highlight that the points covered that might be the preparation of Google Form, either conduct of Zoom meeting, Google Meet, creation of own website by means of Genomio, WordPress or Moodle, either may be the question answer session by means of quiz series. Everything was quite good, which was helpful. But for this important thing was two aspects. One is associated with the enrollment certificate and second is associated with Genomio Moodle website. In my 11 years of experience, this is first time I observe someone is providing the certificate over enrollment only, and this will help the step that will create the enthusiasm in the faculty for this FDP. It was my one of the wish that I should have my own website, and by means of information provided over here with Genomia Moodle site, it comes true, and the fact that no one should be declined that this Genomia site will surely help to add some data, some material to interact with your students. There are so many facts about which I want to thank you right from the conduct to end. Thank you one and all.